All right, so the next problem we're going to look at is number 9. And so number 9 says the quotient of n and negative 0.5 is 13. What is the value of n? Okay, so there's actually a few steps, or a couple of steps to this one. First off, we need to go ahead and write an equation for the quotient of n and negative 0.5 is 13. Okay, usually is just means you're going to put an equal sign there. And so the quotient of n and negative 0.5, as you may know, just means n divided by negative 0.5. Okay, so the quotient of n and negative 0.5 is 13. So we went ahead and set up the equation. Again, the main part is just recognizing that the quotient means division. Now, since it says the quotient of n and negative 0.5, we make sure that n goes on the top. Okay, if it said the quotient of negative 0.5 and n, then we would have to switch these. So the order does matter when you use the word quotient. But it said n and negative 5, so we have it this way. And so now we're trying to get n by itself. Okay, so the question we ask ourselves when we're solving for a variable is what is being done to the variable. So right now my variable is n, and we're taking n and dividing it by negative 0.5. Okay, so to get the variable by itself, we do the opposite. So the opposite of dividing by 0.5, or negative 0.5, is multiplying by negative 0.5. Okay, but again, what I do to one side, I have to do the other. All right, these cancel, which just leaves us with n on the left side. Okay, and then 13 times negative 0.5, you can use a calculator, or you can multiply it out, but that should give you negative 6.5. Okay, which if I'm not mistaken is B on the review.